Hello students, in today's lesson we are going to talk about parts of speech. There are 8 parts of speech in English grammar: nouns, pronouns, verbs, adverbs, adjectives, prepositions, interjections and conjunctions. Let's discuss one by one with examples. First, we will discuss about what is noun. A noun is a person, place, thing, or idea. For example, in the sentence, John is going to the store. The word John is a noun because it is a person name. Same as I visited London last summer. London is a noun because it is a place name. Our next part of speech is pronouns. A pronoun replaces a noun. For example, in the sentence, she loves to read. The word she is a pronoun that replaces a specific person's name. As you can see in the last example, John is going to the store. We can replace a noun John with a pronoun he. For example, we cannot say John is going to the store, John is buying groceries, John is picking up milk. Instead of saying John again and again, we can use a pronoun he. He is buying groceries, he is picking up milk. Now I hope you understand the concept of pronoun. If you have any question, please let me know in the comment box. Our next parts of speech is adjectives. An adjective modifies a noun or pronoun. It means an adjective tells us about the quality or characteristics of the noun or pronoun. For example, in the sentence, this is the best pizza in town. The word best describes the noun pizza. Best is an adjective that describes the quality of the pizza. This is the best pizza in town. Next parts of speech is verb. A verb shows action or a state of being. State means condition. For example, in the sentence, she ran to the store. The word ran is a verb because it shows action. We can also say verbs are action words. It means they tells us about the action of something like run, walk, sit, stand, read, write, and many more. Our next parts of speech is adverb. An adverb modifies a verb, adjective, or another adverb. For example, in the sentence, the bird sang beautifully. The word beautifully is an adverb describing how the bird sang. Our next parts of speech is preposition. A preposition shows the relationship between a noun and another word. In the sentence, the bug is under the table. The word under is the preposition showing where the bug is in relation to the table. Next parts of speech is interjections. An interjection is a word or phrase used to express emotion. For example, in the sentence, wow, I can't believe I won the race. The word wow is an interjection because it expresses sudden emotion. Our next and the last parts of speech is conjunctions. A conjunction connects words, phrases, or clauses. For example, in the sentence, I wanted ice cream, but I had cake instead. The word but is a conjunction connecting two clauses. You can also remember conjunctions by using the mnemonic device fanboys for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. This is the easiest solution to remember conjunctions by mnemonic device fanboys. Here is a quick review of all parts of speech. You can make your own notes or take screenshot. Then your understanding of the material will be evaluated through a quiz. Are you ready to begin? Let's start. Now it's quiz time. Let's see how well you have got this. Your time starts now. And please don't forget to tell your answers in the comment box. I will also provide answer sheet at the end of this video.